Hi all, welcome to Beginners Academy YouTube channel. As part of this particular session, we would be using service principal in our Terraform code. If you could see our Terraform code, earlier it was we have logged in using Azure CLI. Then only we were able to interact with this provider with subscription. Earlier, these all the things it was commented. That is a basic way of doing it. So how to use a service principal? In this session, we would be using service principal and as well as creating another resource group. Let us start then. So log into your Azure portal, click on AAD, Azure Active Directory, click on app registration, click on Terraform, and here you're going to find tenant ID. Copy that tenant ID over here, and then client ID is this, and the client secret, if you have watched the service principal video, I have copied in a WordPad. Copy that, paste it over here. Okay, so let us run Terraform plan. It should successfully connect to Azure, and it should not since there is no code is written, it should say no infrastructure changes, infrastructure is up to date. Okay, let us introduce another resource group now. So let us call it as RG2. Let us say RG2 beginner academy with SP. Let us end with SP. Okay, so let us run again Terraform plan. You should see now one has to be added because we have newly added this second resource group. Yeah, if you could see, as one has to be added. So let us apply it now. It will take a couple of seconds. Yes, it is adding one. So let us click on select yes. Yeah, it said apply complete. One resource added. Let us go to the subscription. So click on subscription, click on resource group. Yeah, if you see here RG2 SP, right? So it has been added. So the same name, it has been created. So yeah, so in this way you would be connecting SP with service principal. You would be interacting with Azure. Thank you. If you are interested in learning more about multi-cloud and DevOps tools, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.